Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by powering the Chromecast and opening the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure the Chromecast is in the TV's HDMI port and powered with a stable adapter, otherwise it won't broadcast. Once the TV shows the Chromecast welcome screen, open Google Home and tap Add, then Set Up Device. You're doing this now to let the app detect the device on your local network. This step creates the initial pairing and moves you to network configuration. Once the app finds the Chromecast, you'll pair by verifying the code on the TV matches what the app displays. This prevents connecting to the wrong device. Then grant any permission prompts, Bluetooth and location help discovery, and choose the Wi-Fi network you want Chromecast to join. If you have dual band routers, pick the band your phone uses. Keeping both on the same network avoids streaming drops. After you enter the Wi-Fi password, the Chromecast downloads updates and finalizes setup automatically. You're almost done. Name the Chromecast so it appears clearly in casting menus and set preferences like room and guest mode if needed. Once named, test casting from a supported app or the cast icon in your phone's quick settings. This verifies audio and video playback. If casting fails, make sure phone and Chromecast remain on the same Wi-Fi, then power cycle the Chromecast and router and retry. If problems persist, factory reset the Chromecast from Google Home as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.